Good morning, everyone. I'm Pradeep Nair. I'm a VP with Azure Global Infrastructure, responsible for the Azure expansion around the world. Today, I have an exciting guest with me, Rutha. She was actually a part of the Microsoft Leap program. We will learn more about the program from Rutha. Hey, Rutha, welcome.
Hi.
Can you explain to the viewers about the Microsoft Leap program and how did you get into the program?
Yes. So the Microsoft Leap program is a program for all ages and backgrounds. So anyone is welcome to apply to the paid 16-week apprenticeship with Microsoft. So as long as you have the passion for technology and you get accepted, you go through a 16-week program, and that program really just helps you to pivot into high-demand careers.
Okay, great to know about the program, Rutha. How did you get into the Microsoft Leap program?
Yeah, so I was always passionate about technology, and I had a little bit of a tech background because I started at Microsoft when I was in high school, and I wanted to come back to tech, but I didn't really know how to come back to a technical career. And that's where I found the LEAP program, and I learned about it, and I decided I wanted to be a software engineer. And that program was available for me to come in and get that training I needed and start my tech career.
Okay, great to hear that. So as you went through the LEAP program, what was the most meaningful experience for you about the whole Microsoft LEAP program?
Yeah, the most meaningful experience was networking and also peer mentoring.
Okay.
So throughout my experience, I networked as much as I can with my peers in the LEAP program and within Microsoft. And the most meaningful experience was really about learning how to learn and working with my leapers to peer mentor each other, to learn as much as we can to continue our tech career within Microsoft.
Awesome to hear. I think mentoring and networking was a great part of your experience.
Yes.
So how has Microsoft LEAP program inspired you on your career journey to technology as well as to Microsoft? Can you talk a little more on that?
Yes, it has enabled me to see the different possibilities within tech. So, throughout the LEAP program, I learned about the different technologies, the different teams that we have at Microsoft, and the different opportunities through different career paths as well. And so it has really opened my eyes to not just one set path, but multiple different paths. So I'm very thankful for that.
Okay. The next one, personally, I've been part of a lot of non-profit to help as a way of giving back to the community.
Yes.
So I was thrilled to learn that coming out of the LEAP program, you've already been starting to contribute to the not-for-profit organizations here locally. Can you share a little more on what you're doing related to that?
Yes. When I started LEAP, I started volunteering my time to local nonprofits within the local Redmond and Seattle area.
Okay.
And going through the LEAP programs, I found a gap in learning technologies and really being prepared to join the LEAP program and technical careers in general. And so I founded a nonprofit called Consider Tech.
Okay.
And within the Consider Tech, it's a nonprofit to help people who want to get into tech kind of break down the different possibilities and the technology that's needed to learn to prepare you for programs like LEAP.
Okay. I think so many people will be inspired to hear your story. So my next question is, what's your advice or guidance for people who want to come into this program?
Yeah, never stop learning.
Okay.
So one, biggest advice would be always learning. That's my motto all the time. There's so many tools out there like LinkedIn Learning and so many resources out there that can prepare you for technical careers and breaking into tech. And so my advice is always keep learning. Learn something new. And get certifications if you can, and all the resources are out there.
Awesome. Thank you, Rutha, for being on the show. It's been great to hear your story. I'm sure a lot of people are inspired hearing your story. For everyone else who's watching, if you want to know more about the LEAP program and participate in it, visit microsoft.com/leap.